Rogliano. I'm working here in FARI, AI for the Common Good Institute, and I'm head of Citizen Engagement Hub, which is the unit which fosters collaboration between our labs, research labs, and civil society. The most complete definition is the replica of a city, a full replica, meaning that you interconnect different data sets together, and at the same time you have real-time input from sensors, which open the possibility to make some simulations. But you can also consider it like a replica, like a digital replica of the city, and that could also give you the possibility to better understand the urban space, to visualize, and also another time to interconnect data sets, which is the key point of digital twins. It's another open question because the tool is being built at the time we are talking. And so adding the citizen component in it, it's a choice. We could not to do it. It would be a possibility. But at FARI, we want to integrate citizen participation in this new technicality. How? First, we have a lot of citizen associations that are already gathering some data, that are expert of their city. And so we want first address them and ask them, what is your knowledge? And try to also understand if that possible technical tool could be useful for them. So first step is trying to understand how it can be beneficial for association here, civil society here in Brussels. Today we had a session dedicated to citizen participation and digital twins. So we asked some representatives of the civil society to join us, as well as engineers and researchers. And all together we tried to understand what are digital twins and what could they bring to Brussels. And so after a general introduction, we had specific roundtables around two topics. The first one was public spaces, and the second one, quality of life in general. The takeaways of this session were multiples, but maybe two takeaways for each table. Digital twin is, for the participants, a super good way to show inequalities with data sets. So to use the data to show their concerns. The second thing was that digital twin can help civil groups, civil society groups, to communicate better with public administration in the same space, in front of the same screen, trying to elaborate different scenarios about a certain situation. It was a desire to talk with civil society and to really organize a moment when we can exchange our views about a new tool and how to use it. So no strategy, but I remember I went to an event organized by BRAL, and they used the same process with roundtable, and I thought it was such a good idea that I decided to reproduce the same kind of concept for this session. Data in the city is an occasion to meet first, and it's rare when you have some occasion to meet with very different stakeholders, and it's the idea. So it's not intended to be largely open to inhabitants in general, but just to open some prospective technology project issues that could be think collectively. So this year it was about a digital twin, the year before it was about smart cities. I don't know yet for next year, but the idea is really okay, we don't know, we have an answer, and how to create a dialogue around it. But the question should be, how can we be sure that we give an opportunity to civil society to engage in that process, basically? And I think it could be very powerful. So it's a super good occasion.